The latest as far as the Samajwadi Party drama is concerned, as the family feud continues. Akhilesh Yadav now trying to set terms. And sources are telling Times now that Akhilesh is willing to forego the post of the national president. But at what cost? Now that's the big ask that he's put forward. And Amir has more details of what is Akhilesh's compromise formula, Amir?
Well, Tanvi, it continues to be a catch-22 situation for the Samajwadi Party bigwigs out here because, even after lengthy parleys that they've had amongst themselves, it was a 3-hour-long meeting with Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav that Mulayam Singh had, and then later on, around 2:30 this afternoon, Shivpal Yadav also joined in with his son. But well, as far as Akhilesh Yadav's compromise formula is concerned, we believe that he told his father and party patriarch Mulayam Singh Yadav that he is not interested in retaining his post as the party chief, the post to which he was anointed to on the 1st of January when a national convention was called in here by his faction. But the major point of contention between him and his uncle Shivpal Yadav and also now father Mulayam Singh is that he wants to have his say, a complete say and authority in the distribution of tickets. He obviously has a logic behind it. He says that when the party is going ahead into the 2017 elections with his face, with him as the chief ministerial candidate, then obviously he's got to have a say in the distribution of tickets and into the selection of candidates. But this is something against which, Mulayam Singh Yadav, Shivpal Yadav haven't commented as yet. Also, he's believed to have suggested that Shivpal Yadav be given a role into the national affairs of the party and that too at the center. So therefore, clearly, young Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav wants his uncle out of the UP politics as far as his party is concerned. But clearly, a very tricky situation out here for the party as such because, over the last 1 week or so, ever since this drama started, and that too in its 3rd episode, the image of the party has taken a beating. Also, Mulayam Singh clearly understands as a veteran politician that the kind of trust that Muslims as a vote bank had on the party would be waning slowly with this kind of factionalism and infighting within the party continuing. So clearly, they'll have to go ahead and put their head together and find out a clear solution to all such nagging problems within the party, or clearly this party is not going into the coming elections with its full force.